Chocolate, that little pleasure that brings smiles and evokes memories, has a history as rich and fascinating as its flavor. Today, I invite you to dive with me into this universe of aromas and textures, where every cocoa bean hides legends, science, and art. Join me on this journey through the world of chocolate, from its sacred origins to the table at Cantina 33, in the heart of Madrid, where the sweetest dreams come true. Imagine for a moment ancient Mesoamerica, an exuberant and mysterious land where the Mayans and Aztecs revered cacao as a heavenly gift. For them, cacao was much more than just food. It symbolized life, abundance, and power. Cacao beans were used as currency, and their dark, frothy drink was reserved for the most solemn occasions and important people. This drink, known as chocolatl, was bitter and spicy, vastly different from the sweet chocolate we enjoy today. The rituals surrounding cacao were filled with meaning, celebrating the connection between man and the gods. With the arrival of European conquistadors, cacao crossed the ocean and began a transformation that would forever change the history of gastronomy. In European courts, chocolate was sweetened, blended with vanilla and cinnamon, and quickly became a luxury reserved for the nobility. Soon, chocolate captured hearts and palates around the world, evolving into various forms, flavors, and uses. What began as a sacred elixir became a universal passion, capable of uniting cultures and generations. But chocolate is not just history and tradition. It's also about health and well-being. Especially dark chocolate, which contains a high percentage of cacao, is a powerful source of antioxidants, those molecules that help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Consuming quality dark chocolate can contribute to reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, improving blood circulation, and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Additionally, chocolate contains essential minerals such as magnesium, iron, and zinc, which are crucial for the proper functioning of our bodies. And as if that weren't enough, chocolate is a natural ally of happiness. Within its composition, we find phenethylamine, a substance that stimulates the release of endorphins, the so-called happiness hormones. That's why it's no coincidence that a small piece of chocolate has the power to elevate our mood and make us feel better, even on the grayest days. Chocolate is, in essence, a hug for the soul, a comfort in the form of sweetness. The possibilities of chocolate in the kitchen are virtually endless, from classic cakes and brownies to silky mousses, delicate truffles, and melt-in-your-mouth bonbons, not to mention innovative creations that explore new flavor and texture combinations. But chocolate isn't limited to the world of desserts. In contemporary gastronomy, it's increasingly common to find it in savory dishes, such as sauces for meats, dressings for salads, and even in soups and stews. Chocolate adds depth, complexity, and a touch of mystery to any recipe, pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity. At Cantina 33, we have turned our love for chocolate into a true sensory experience. Each of our desserts is a small work of art, crafted with the finest ingredients and a generous dose of passion. From decadent cakes with layers of molten chocolate to artisanal ice creams that refresh the palate and awaken the senses, along with moist brownies, crispy cookies, and mousses that feel like clouds. Every bite is an invitation to enjoy, to share, and to celebrate life. But what makes Cantina 33 truly special is not just the quality of our desserts, but also the love we put into their preparation and the welcoming atmosphere that awaits you with every visit. We want every moment in our home to be memorable, for each customer to feel like part of our family, and for every experience to be unique. That's why we invite you to visit us at Calle Campomanes 5, right in the heart of Madrid, and let yourself be surprised by our dessert menu and specialties. And today, we have a special reason to celebrate. We want to send a very special greeting from writer and artist Sonny Montero, a true chocolate enthusiast and a friend of the house. Sonny shares with us the belief that chocolate is much more than just food. It's a source of inspiration, a symbol of joy, and a bridge between cultures. His love for chocolate is reflected in his art, his words, and his outlook on life. So now you know. If you are a chocolate lover, Cantina 33 is your place. Come and discover our creations. Let yourself be carried away by the aromas and flavors and share unforgettable moments with those you cherish most. Whether you prefer dark chocolate, milk chocolate, or white chocolate, you'll find options for every taste and occasion here. Remember that chocolate, when enjoyed in moderation and in good company, can be an ally of health, a boost for creativity, and a source of genuine pleasure. Treat yourself to that little luxury. Gift yourself a moment of happiness, and let yourself be carried away by the magic of cacao. Don't forget to follow us on our social media to stay updated on all our news, promotions, and special events. We want to continue sharing recipes, stories, and fun facts about the fascinating world of chocolate with you. And if you have any suggestions or want to share your experience at Cantina 33, we would love to hear from you and grow together. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the universe of chocolate. We hope to see you soon at Cantina 33, located at Calle Campomanes 5 in Madrid. Until then, keep enjoying life, savoring the little pleasures, and of course, indulging in a good piece of chocolate. See you next time.